Alright chat, so today we're back with another video. I ain't gonna say we switched it up because it's kind of the same concept, but today we're gonna be fighting sea beasts with whatever fruit my friend rolls. Let's hope he get us something good and we don't end up with spider again. Alright, pause the video and guess what fruit he's finna roll. Pause the video and guess what fruit. See, I don't know if this is good or not. I haven't used smoke since first seed, so I don't even know what the moves do. But alright, let's just go ahead, eat this fruit, and go sea beast hunting. If I do remember though, smoke do got that flying move that do damage while you're flying. So that might just come in clutch with the sea beast. Alright chat, so we arrived at Tiki. Now we just waiting for my friend Tyrone to buy the boat. Then we gonna head out.
Eternity later.
Bro, where are the sea beasts? We've been driving for like 5 minutes. Oh shoot, rumbling waters. Alright, bet. Alright, let's see how the smoke fruit gonna do. If I can even get over to the sea beast. Alright, so let's see. First move, 5,000 damage. That's not bad, low-key, actually. I'm pretty sure you can do this move as much as you want too. Like, I don't think it's any any limit to that. 8,000 damage. Ooh. Hold on. I wouldn't say it's better than magma, but I definitely say it's up there. It's definitely up there with like some of the best fruits to do it with, but I can't really say for sure yet because I just started. Alright, so first sea beast down. Let's go to the next. Come on. Second sea beast down. Okay. Third sea beast down. Okay.
Few inches later.
I feel like when you want sea beasts to spawn, they just don't want to spawn. Oh, okay. Alright, so another sea beast down. I don't know what count we at. I'll put a count on the screen and edit into. And another sea beast right off the bat. That one didn't take long at all. The boat is finna die though. If I didn't have perm magma, this fruit would probably definitely be my go-to. Alright, so another sea beast down. Low-key, we taking them down quick with the smoke fruit. We taking them down real quick.
Till 3 days later.
Alright, so I wasn't recording the whole time, but we got another sea beast. Let's see what we can do with the smoke fruit again. $40,000 damage is crazy. Now I know what y'all talking about. Yeah, you can get that with magma. Yeah, quicker with magma. What if I don't got magma? So another sea beast down. Still don't know what number we at. Stop counting. My friend, he went to go get wooden planks. I'm might get some too. I don't know. I don't know if I feel like it yet. Alright, so I decided to go ahead and go get the wooden planks, because why not? Alright, so let's head back out to sea and start using smoked fruit again.
Six and a half hours later.
Alright, chat, so we spawned another sea beast. Another sea beast. Oh wait, there's two? Well, alright chat, that's it for this video. Let me know what y'all think I should do next. I'm down to do anything. I got the time. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe. I love all y'all. Thank you for being here. And I hope we can have an amazing journey together.